Amy, it's Grill Ninja TV. We're here with Mia Martin. Mia is cooking some sausage today. She's already made some eggs, and she has biscuits in the oven. Mia, how long have you been cooking?
For like 10 hours.
Oh, for 10 hours? Well, how long have you known how to cook? I mean, when did you learn how to cook?
When I was like 3 years old.
Really? What other things do you cook?
I like to cook eggs, and bacon, sausage, biscuits.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Well, it looks like you're doing real good here.
These are called Grill Ninja biscuits, Grill Ninja eggs, Grill Ninja sausage,
Oh, that's
and Grill
cool.
Ninja bacon.
Wow. Well, it looks like you're doing a good job. You're flipping them well. You haven't got burned or anything, have you? Have you ever got burned before cooking?
Yeah.
It happens, don't it?
When I was like cooking spaghetti, I cooked spaghetti too.
You do?
And cake.
Okay.
And I cook a lot of stuff. I can't even say though.
What's your favorite thing to cook, and what's your favorite thing to eat?
My favorite thing is to eat chocolate, cupcakes, and bacon, eggs, and sausage, and biscuits.
Well, it looks like you're off to a good start there. Thanks for letting us come into your kitchen today.
I like to cook spaghetti and all these I'm cooking. I cook for 10 hours.
Wow, 10 hours. Well, thanks for letting us be here in your kitchen, and hope to see you next time. This is Jamie from Grill Ninja TV. See you.